What it is, Crumbie Crew, what it do? It's your girl, and I am back with another unboxing. So y'all, at this point, this is gonna be like a 3-part series because I've already recorded 2 previous unboxings, baby, because I try to give y'all the footage when I get my packages and I open them, because I have really been holding on to some Amazon packages that I have not opened, just so that I can share this with y'all. If y'all hear my air in the back, I'm in a dungeon. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all can probably see my stockpile peeking through in the background, because I got a lot of stuff I need to put up. I just got my Sam's order that came in, and it is a lot of stuff that I need to put on my stockpile that I ordered from Sam's. So first of all, if you are new to the channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I am Tiffany. This is Crombies World, and I hope that you will hit that subscribe button, boots. When you stay ready, you got to get ready. And go ahead and just turn on your post notifications so you don't miss when I upload a video, because right now YouTube's on one and they ain't letting nobody know when I post no video. So it's cool, it's all right, it is what it is. We're gonna make it do what it do, baby. So yes guys, I'm about to do my part 3 of my unboxing. Like I said, I already have 2 videos previously recorded that I'm gonna let my husband make a little compilation of, and y'all gonna get it. And I will be sure that I link the products that I'm discussing with you all in that video as well. So I need to go through and get my links and all that good stuff. So yes, let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing, y'all. And like I said, I'm down here in the dungeon because I need to put some of the stuff that I ordered. I need to put it in my stockpile. So y'all get a look. The stockpile, it's looking a little bit rough right now. So like I said, don't judge me. You need to judge yourself, because I got a stockpile. Do you? All right. So this is from Walmart, y'all. I ordered some I threw away an entire, I don't say I threw away, because I actually know that I make a lot of donations to the Hannah Homes, Kings Ranch, whatever you want to call it, the thrift store in the local area. I always donate a lot of stuff to that. And I was doing my cleaning back last year, like for the holidays. I gave away an entire bag of makeup brushes, and they were all dirty. Even some beauty blenders, all dirty. I said, somebody probably hit the jackpot. They will take the time and clean those brushes and use them. And there was some good ones in there too, baby. They done got gone from me, but it's okay. I'm trying to get my little collection back up. So these are actually some makeup brushes that I ordered from Walmart. The first brush is a cheek brush, Real Techniques cheek brush, because I gave away a brush similar to this one. Well, it actually says it's a setting brush, but it's Real Techniques. I got rid of mine, gave it away by mistake. I mean, sometimes we do that. I be moving so fast when I be cleaning up and stuff. I be giving away my stuff. Okay, this is a Real Techniques limited edition, and it says it's a 4-piece set, which is, there's a little silver bag in the back. That's what the fourth piece is. But it's a powder face brush, I think, beauty blender, and that is, oh yeah, powder brush, a setting brush, a brush pouch, and a miracle complexion sponge. And they were like $14.99, maybe something like that. But like I said, I will link all of these in the description box. So if you're thinking about purchasing you some brushes, Walmart, I like Real Techniques brushes. So Walmart is about the cheapest place that I've actually found them that I like. So yeah. And moving on to the next item of business, Amazon Special. Y'all already know what it is. I think everybody addicted to Amazon nowadays, because you ain't gotta go nowhere. Just sit at the house, order your stuff, and ship it to the door. Quarantine has really made us become very, very, very lazy people. So it is what it is. Don't judge me, judge yourself. So these are actually some Spanx that I ordered from Amazon. Size XL, double X. You know I'm a plus size girl, so it's okay. I ain't afraid to tell nobody I'm on the plus side. But they seem to be pretty little tight, but this is how they look. And they actually have these little, what do you call these? Like, baby, I don't know, but something fell out, so wait a minute. What is it? A little piece of material. Oh, give me my money back, Amazon. I got to inspect these. They seem like they're gonna be pretty sturdy to hold you in, but everybody need a little foundation, baby. The old folk call it foundation. Everybody need a little foundation up on their clothes. Make it look real good. Make it look better. Make it look better. Unless you're a small person. But then sometimes small people have to wear girdles too. Or foundation, might I say. Might I ain't gonna call it no girdle. We'll get that back in the box when it need to be. Okay, on to the next thing, y'all. I'm gonna go. The box cutter I just had. Okay, here it is. Box cutter for something that's already open. This is a part of my Sam's order. I get their flushable wipes. I used to get the cotton nail flushable wipes, but I don't know if it was during quarantine. But there was a recall on those wipes, baby. And I had probably about 20 odd packs because I'm a couponer, so I'm always getting those wipes. So they had to send me a gift card, and I just throw those away. But it was something going on. They had a recall on them. So ever since then, I have been purchasing these flushable wipes from Sam's. Yep, flushable wipes. So fresh scent, and I think it's 9 packs on the inside. 540 wipes, and of course they're individually wrapped. It looks like somebody didn't open the box, so I need to make sure there's 9 packs up in there. Okay, on to the next one. This package is Macys. This should be the other portion of my bedding from the earlier video. I showed y'all me unboxing my pillows and my quilt set. So this is from Macys. This should be a sheet set. Oh, baby, I don't know why it's shining. I just don't like shiny material. I don't. I just get hot instantly. Okay, we have a Queen Fairfield Square. Whatever that say, Manchester, 1200 count thread, some sheet set, boo. It's gray. And it looked to be a little bit silky. Antimicrobial satin. Oh, snap. Let me stick my hand in here because I don't like silky sheets. I sweat. I'm a sweater. I'm a hot nature person. Oh, Lord. I don't know, y'all. Ooh, I don't know about that. It kind of stinks. I don't know about the silkiness stuff. We're going to pull her to the side. We're going to link under the description, but she might be going bite to the stuff. Because y'all know I'll return some in a minute. I don't care nothing about it. Okay, so next I'm going to open up a box from my Sam's order. Ship to the door, boo. If you ain't got shit on Sam's card, I don't know what to tell you. Because you ain't even got to go to the store unless you actually going for perishable items. But when you can order stuff like, what you about to see come out of this box? I ain't going to Sam's. I'm going to have it shipped to the door. If I got to pay an extra $2 for the shipping, because really they tell you it's free. But I noticed that if you go to delivery, it's $2 less than shipping. I'll take shipping for $300, Alex. I'll take it. It's okay. Just ship it on to the door, baby. We good. Let UPS drop it off. Let them do what they get paid to do. That's the big clip. Okay. I ordered some trash bags. We have a 13-gallon trash bag. And if I can get it out the box, child. 200 trash bags. And I think these were, I'm gonna link them in the description because I bought several items from Sam's, and this happened to be one of those. But yeah, 200 trash bags, and they were not 20 bucks. They were less than 20 bucks. Maybe 16, maybe 13. I don't want to lie, so that's why I'm going to link them in the description box. All right, let's put that to the side. Let's get this huge box. Hold on. It's a big kahuna woona. Like we love be saying, big kahuna woona. Ain't big. But yes, y'all, you can get a Sam's card online. You don't have to go into the store because I've been using my Sam's card digitally since quarantine. I actually bought it 2020 online, and you have a virtual card number. Or like I do, I just downloaded the app and I just ordered from my app, and my card is automatically added to the app. And once you physically go into the store, then you can take your ID and go to the customer service, whatever it is, and get your card. But I ain't been in 2 years. I've been using the same card for 2 years digitally, even after I renewed it. It's fine. It's okay. I promise you it's all right. I don't care nothing about it. I'm trying to make everything convenient for me. If you know what I mean. Okay. Baby, these little packing things. My dog, she hate them. She go ape. You hear me when she see them. She don't like them at all. Okay, guys. So recently I went to the doctor, and your girl had gained, they say 6 pounds, but I know some trickery going on with them scales at the doctor. I ain't no fool. Y'all ain't gonna keep on trying to trick me telling me I'm obese when I know I ain't. You'll be your damn self. Let's be clear. But anyway, guys, I ordered me some raw honey because I'm going to get back to doing my smoothies in the morning, like using kale. I've done it before. I did the green smoothie cleanse, and it worked. I lost like 7 pounds when I did that, but I'll tell you, that been years ago, like years ago. But I'm thinking about just doing the smoothie portion, but just not all of the whole, how you got the schedule to do. I'm just going to make my own smoothies with my flaxseed and my berries in the morning. And I'm going to use some honey and or Splenda if I need any extra sweetener in it, if that makes sense. Okay, so we got that honey. I'm linking it in the description too. I think it might have been $6.99. It wasn't no more than $10. I know that, because it's the economy size, and then you get it from Sam's. So I think it made by Macys. Okay, boom. We got the honey. Oh, here go my neighbors, y'all. Oh my God, let me hurry up. Oh, 300 plates, y'all. They ain't no more than 18 bucks. 300 plates. I'm so sorry, I've got to go fast, but they done got on this stuff out here, and they about to make me mad this evening. Okay. And Cheez-Its. I buy them by bulk. These weren't maybe $10, maybe not. It's like 45 individual packs. I love these. When I do drink coffee, I have a bag of these in the morning time with my coffee. And let me hurry up and get my last little thing. Splenda. This is 1,200 packs of Splenda. This is all I use. I'm not a sugar person. The last time I used sugar in my coffee, I almost died. Like, for real. I didn't know if I had the virus. I don't know what it was, baby, but it was coming out of both ends. Let's be clear. And my stomach was hurting. So it has been Splenda since then. And she was probably about 15 bucks, maybe 17. I will link it in the description. All right, guys, I think that's all of my packages. And like I said, I'm about to go because I know my neighbor out here riding this. I don't know if it's a lawnmower. I don't know if it's a doom, but I don't know what it is, but it gets on my last nerve. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Yes, guys, so if you enjoyed the content of this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Come on back and subscribe. Why don't you? Come on, join the family. It's lit over here. We be having a good little time. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. All right, that's it. That's all. Until the next boxing, until the next coupon video, vlog, and or whichever one comes first. All right, and I'm gonna get y'all, hey, in the next video. Hey, all right, bye.